Pacific Airshow here in Huntington Beach. We're going to see what's going on up here. I want you to hang out with me just for a few minutes because you do not want to miss this next performer.
Hello to everybody who's here already. Thanks for coming. We're going to put on a great show for you today.
One, Oshinuga. Here, Mark, we got a B-25 up there somewhere, don't we? Holding level. So powerful.
Great up here. Happy to see everybody at Pacific Airshow. And today we're going to show a little bit of what the Blimp can do maneuverability-wise.
There in Fitzgerald, live in the sky right now as he's flipping over backwards, flopping around.
It's pretty freaking awesome coming down here, being by the water, getting to watch these planes go by. I mean, there's quite literally nothing like it.
Here she is now diving in from the right. McDonald.
Snowbirds pulled it off. I've never seen formations like that. We come every year and spend all 3 days here, and it's fabulous.
As the OB-10 slides in view here. Climbing up right at show center, directly over the top of the burning daylight. Czepiela touching down on our STOL runway right here at show center. Simply incredible. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Royal Air Force.
Maneuvers facing into the wind, so that's where it's set up here for now.
This is just one of the coolest things you'll see out here all day. And just watch now.
We are loving being at the Huntington Beach Air Show.
Man, this thing is so cool. I love watching this thing come around.
Yeah!
A little pocket rocket of a machine. The torpedo bay is open. Do you see it? We'll give it up for Pickles there.
Awesome. Got a lot of patriots out here. Love seeing the planes go by. Good time.
Like when both of those jets went connected and then they went out. Yeah, that was my favorite part too.
No time to listen. Move it. Here they come.
Everything I do is A1, go get that bag up. I've been moving heavy, 90
These folks, boy, are they fun to watch. Rolling right on